Welcome to Little Big Book by Chancellor Landry, honoring Native American Indian Month. Pioneers of the past, leaders of the present. John Bennet Herrington, astronaut and aeronautical engineer. He embarked on a journey to the International Space Station as a crew member of the Space Shuttle STS-113 Endeavour, which was launched from the Kennedy Space Center on November 23, 2002. With him he took an eagle feather, some arrowheads, and his personal traditional Native American flute. John Bennet Herrington, a Chickasaw Nation member, is the first Native American in space, born in 1958 in Chickasaw, Oklahoma. Harrington's deep connection to his Chickasaw heritage influenced his career path.